Credit repair isn't just numbers on a screen. It empowers realtors, aids auto dealerships,
Clears paths for loan officers, supports financial advisors, and streamlines landlords' decisions. Even small businesses thrive with it. Every profession touched by the magic of credit repair. Empower your future. Repair your credit. Here is a list of the top 11 professions associated with credit repair. Number 1. Credit repair specialist. These professionals specialize in assisting individuals with low credit scores to identify inaccuracies on their credit reports, dispute errors, and provide guidance on improving their credit profiles. Number 2. Financial counselor advisor. Financial counselors or advisors can help clients understand their credit reports, create budgets, manage debt, and develop strategies to improve their credit scores. Number 3. Debt counselor negotiator. Debt counselors or negotiators work with clients to create plans for managing and reducing debt, which can ultimately positively impact their credit scores. Number 4. Bankruptcy attorney. Bankruptcy attorneys help clients navigate the legal process of bankruptcy, which can impact their credit scores. These attorneys provide advice on the best course of action and its consequences on credit. Number 5. Loan officer mortgage broker. Professionals in these roles assess creditworthiness for individuals seeking loans or mortgages. They can offer advice on how to improve credit scores to qualify for better loan terms. Number 6. Real estate agent. Real estate agents may guide clients on how their credit scores can affect their ability to secure a mortgage for purchasing a home. Number 7. Identity theft specialist. These experts assist individuals in dealing with identity theft issues that can negatively impact credit scores. They help resolve fraudulent accounts and restore accurate credit reporting. Number 8. Collection agency professional. Professionals in collection agencies may work to negotiate payment arrangements or settlements for unpaid debts, which can indirectly affect credit repair efforts. Number 9. Accountant CPA. Accountants can offer financial advice, including steps to manage debt and improve credit scores through better financial practices. Number 10. Consumer protection attorney. Attorneys in this field may help clients with issues related to credit reporting errors, violations of consumer protection laws, and unfair debt collection practices. Number 11. Credit monitoring services. Companies providing credit monitoring services offer tools to track credit scores and reports, helping individuals identify changes and potential inaccuracies. So let me recap what you just saw. Credit repair is a process with the aim of improving an individual's credit score. It involves addressing inaccuracies, resolving debt, and practicing good financial habits. Several professions can be related to or involved in the credit repair process, such as loan officers, mortgage brokers, and credit counselors. Individuals can also take steps on their own to improve their credit scores. This includes paying bills on time, reducing credit card balances, and dealing with errors on their credit reports. Mindful credit utilization is another way to positively impact a person's credit score in the long run.